Love a delicious chicken taco bowl lunch, but the $10 price tag of Chipotle and Freebirds is just crazy? Would you believe you can make this delicious lunch for just $1.64 with just what you have in your pantry? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org, your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. Let me show you how easy this lunch is to make with just what you have in your cupboards for less than $1.75. I love a good taco bowl for lunch, but I'm gonna go broke if I keep having to take my kids to Freebirds and Chipotle's for $10 each every day. But I can get you the same thing for $1.64. I'm going to make this chicken taco bowl to feed 5 people, and you could use it as a delicious lunch, dinner, or even meal prep to feed yourself throughout the week. Either way, you'll want to save this recipe down below as your weekly easy go-to for those busy days. Okay, for starters, we're gonna start with a pot and 1 cup of rice. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. And now we're gonna put it on the stove on high and let it boil for 10 minutes. And once the water comes to a boil, we're gonna let our rice cook for about 5 minutes until some of the water has been cooked in. Once your 5 minutes is up, we're gonna turn off the heat, put a lid on it, and let it sit for about 20 minutes to let the rice absorb the rest of the water and finish cooking. Next, in a medium to large bowl, we're gonna combine 1 can of drained diced tomatoes, 1 can of drained whole kernel corn, 1 can of 6.5 ounce drained sliced olives, and then we're gonna add 1 12.5 ounce can of drained chicken breast. Now for our seasoning, we're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Now your mix should be looking something like this and smelling so good. And we're just gonna stir it all together. Make sure you get all the chicken chunks all broken up and the seasoning all mixed in together. Should be looking a little something like this. Okay, now once your rice is finished cooking and finished sitting, we're gonna take our rice, so fluffy and delicious. And now all we have to do is plate it. Get yourself a spoonful of rice, top it with your chicken and veggie mix, and sprinkle with a little bit of green onions, like so, and enjoy. Let me know in the comments your favorite Tex-Mex food. I'm always adding new recipes to loadedpotato.org. What Tex-Mex recipe do you want to see next using only shelf-stable items? Are you excited to save so much time and money with this delicious, easy chicken taco bowl for lunch? It's so easy, budget-friendly, healthy, and delicious. Make sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. Don't shoot all over the place, please.